açık olduğu için adam İstanbul'da alacak, şu memleketi biliyor, ondan alıyor. Şöyle bir gerçek var. Bugün sen 20 sene önce Rize, Trabzon, Çayeli, bunların Fatih, Onlardan güzel bir güzel alalım.
Zamanında şeye sokmadığı için barajı merkezden bir şey alma hakkımız oldu. Merkez de hani bokta abi bu arada. Merkez şimdi adamlar. Bizim işte zaten havalı neresi?
Good morning guys. Nasıl abi? Ne var kanka? İyisi nasıl? Give me a sec guys. Bakma açarım ya. Sağ. Damn, we're dumping. Through the daily. Damn. We've been waiting for this effigy for ages. We shorted to it, but is that really gonna dump all the way down? Like, is there news? Like, we just cracked through this daily, like, damn, the order flow is really bearish. I think I might gotta just let it go here. I'm gonna get stopped out anyway. The order flow is very bearish. I think I'm gonna put a micro on and I'm gonna target this. I think they want this more than this FPG. They want this. They want this. That's what I can think of. Oh, we got weekly open, weekly call. And the end log. Oh, we got an end log. Oh, we're targeting the end log then. Yeah. For a second until we get an FPG here, and we already got FPGs on here as well. I don't want to play with too much profit. I'm already up 500 and like 800 on other accounts. Extracted the whole daily, so I'm just putting one micro on because I think he just wants to go to N1. Like yesterday, it dumped like randomly, like dumped through key level like the 4 hour. That means it wants to go somewhere. So I think it wants to go to that N1 because it cut through this daily like water, right? So now all time frames are bearish except the monthly and the daily is still bullish if we close above, like if we come back all the way back up, which we probably will, but I think we want this volume imbalance slash NWAG. We're gonna make one of this daily wick as well. We'll see, we only on one micro. I'll be risking 200 bucks on this trade. For now, I'll obviously determine a better thing once we form a structure. Right now, it's absurd, the ratios.
Bir arkadaşım şarlı bir. Burada kiraya gidiyor, dünya yapıyor falan filan. Altında ayak alıyor bana.
They might do some like trickiness at five points away from the N-Wog.
Binada 8 kişi var. Bana sahip 5 toplu tuvalete var. 3 kişiyiz. 3 tane tuvaletini imzaya verdi. 2 tane verdi. Bir tane kadına imzaya verdi. Dediler ki yani
So this FAG, we touched this narrative FAG and we dumped. I was gonna add to it, but I was on the daily chart for you guys. We'll see. Like I said, I don't want to add because then my stop loss would be 400 bucks instead of 200. But we can do is we can put one of this wick. And we can take a partial there. Like we can fully exit here maybe. That'll be only like 60 bucks. I'm gonna probably add one more. I added one more, guys. Hopefully I don't regret it. Here we got to break even. This is a measuring gap. Yeah, this is a measuring gap. There we go. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I thought it was 1 micro. I closed the whole position at here. Okay, fine. If you guys are holding, you can hold to the N1. But take a partial here and go to break even. There we go. There. Wish I held. That would have been 170 bucks. Alright, at least I'm back to my 500. Beautiful, guys. I think that's why. I don't know why it cracked through this daily like this, but it's doing what it did yesterday. So there's obviously, since there's no news, today was supposed to be a CPI. We didn't really have those. They deleted these news, so the market is going to be not algorithmically, it's going to be manual intervention. They're going to be pushing the prices down or up as they like to what they want. I think they want this N1 more important than the daily bag, and more important than the N1 and the daily bag is this. By the way, I'm going to do my charting right now for this session, so we can know what's going on, right? Because right now I feel naked. I'm not really naked, but I feel naked. Here, you see this volume imbalance? We filled it. We tapped it. That's, I think, what you want. Next line of defense would be the midpoint of here. And that volume imbalance. There we go, filled it fully. Damn. Anybody still holding? If you have a break even, you can keep holding if you guys want. We might be going for this, whatever this is. Probably N-Dog. N-Dog, we got N-Dogs. Okay, we got more targets to the other side. You guys got any questions? We're going to that N1. Got anyone here? This is where we're going to. Maybe we'll look for longs here, but right now the daily is still holding. Its bullish IRL is failing, it's saying. We're coming almost to that. Anybody still holding? There we go, we hit it. Ah, damn. We could have held that, guys. We could have held that trade. That would have been beautiful. 61 points, but I think we took at least, we added on that FPG here. I think we took home at least 30 points. Alright, so now we can look to see if we can form a structure, a bullish, like a 3 minute or a 1 minute. I prefer 3 minute. Since it's really something I can't rely on the 1 minute. What up, Dave? What up, PA? What up, On? What up, Checkmate? What up, 22, 21, FA? What's up, bro? So, I was trying to short tills daily here, and I ended up taking like a trade, and I closed at break even. You can see break even, same issues. Oops, that was multiple trades here. This one and this one is break even. It went up a little bit, then it came back down, and then finally it broke. I was just like, I'm enough. Like I already made 500 on this account, and on that account I think I'm up 7 on 12. Also probably the same trades. I'm waiting for at least 3 minute bullish narrative FEG. Maybe we should play some music. But Nofi girl, what the fuck? Did you guys take the morning trade? Good morning, Dave. Did you guys, good evening for, yeah, true. Did you guys take the trade in the morning? Damn, that's loud. Did you guys take the trade in the morning? The shorts from the 4 hour? Alright, nice. I need to see the bearish one being broken. Otherwise it's going to touch this and continue going down probably, but to where? I don't have any more targets, to be honest with you. Oh, we got previous monthly mid. Did we touch it? Please tell me we touched it. Damn it, we didn't touch it. We might come back to it. We might come back to it. The current low. You see how we touched the 3 minute bag and dumped? can attempt maybe one long. We'll see. Right now there's no order flow on the 1 minute, so there's no reason to trade. The bearish one is still in play. We got this volume imbalance you may want to go to. Hey, south. This 3 minutes still holding right now. Do we have a 5 minute?
What's up, Luke?
What's up, brother?
How are you guys?
Good, bro. Yeah.
Good. So they flushed us, huh?
Yeah. We wanted the flush since yesterday. We got it today. We traded it.
Nice.
Now we're looking for a reversal, but there's still one more level that they should have took. This monthly level, previous monthly mid. They came with one fucking tick away, bro.
Let's see. Not really, Luke. You almost hit it.
Did they take you on like NQ?
They did on the regular NQ, not the
That's NQZ. What is it? NQU?
just NQ. I don't I look at it on Schwab. I don't use the monthly contract.
It says it didn't touch it yet. No, it didn't touch it any of the fund.
On the NQ, on the regular NQ, it did.
My indicator is showing wrong though. I don't know. I'm basing it on this indicator.
Yeah. It could be just a L because remember, Schwab could be off by a point or two from trading view and stuff like that. So they varies. Sometimes
Yeah.
you'd be off a point or so.
Yeah. So we got a swing low, forming a swing high. If we get an FEG as well.
I took a long actually on that low.
Yeah, I wanted to long it too, but I need confirmation.
I long 21, 68, 21.
Yes.
Yeah, it was perfect timing for me out of the meeting. So I'm just looking for a quick scalp. If they want to run it, I will leave a runner, but it doesn't look very clean. I need them to push above 68, 30, 45, and hold again to push us at 65. If they can't do that, they won't be able to do it.
Yeah. In 2 minutes, if this kind of close, we're gonna get a 5 minute bearish thing as well, an all time frame basically.
Yeah. If they flush ES, we might see 6800 again, 6795, 6800. That's right.
Oh, yeah, still has room to go down, bro.
Yeah, it does. But I took it.
10.
I took it off of NQ, honestly.
Yeah.
That was the reason for that scalp.
Yeah. Oh, yes, it's still in the bullish structure.
Yeah. And Apple is pushing freaking green in this shit. I don't know why.
Apple is always on its own accord.
Yeah. And Tesla dumping, Google dumping.
Thanks,
Yeah.
21, 22. Whichever one is you. Basically, we had a 4 hour here. I woke up, it was around here, so I just smacked the short on the first thingy.
The
FEG.
thing is, the daily chart is still bullish, but they're bending.
Yeah, it's because today was CPR, but there is no CPR, so they're manually intervening with everything.
Nasıl?
They're doing their own intervene for the news.
Yeah. So we got that 1 minute.
They gotta keep the market running,
So all times are bearish, guys. If you wanna accept the daily, so if you wanna take this long here, I don't recommend it, especially it's a 1 minute. Everything else is bullish. Like even you can forget the high time frames. The mid time frames like 3, 5, 15, 1 hour. They're all bearish. The hourly will close too. I think the 4 o'clock, the 4 hours one. as well would close. We have to fill up this thing, guys. We have to fill it. This N1. Look at that reaction from that 1 minute though. I don't trust it though. It should only take you up to this high, not more. Like, it can guarantee you that high, but I'm staying with my order flow. In all honesty, it touched the N1, so it can do a reversal here, at least equilibrium. But I'm gonna remove this stuff. I don't like stuff on too many stuff on my chart. We got that slow as well. Damn, that 1 minute would have been perfect. This one right here. We got a 3 minute bag as well. Finally. So if we want to take a long, we'd have to wait for this area. Something like this.
What's the word bag for? What does that mean?
Breakaway gap.
I missed. Oh, okay.
Something like this. And this will be like, you don't want to be shorting, you don't want to be long in this. The 5 minute will be confirmed, the 15 minute, everything will be confirmed in 2 minutes.
Yeah, but the thing is, Luke, you know, when they got almost to that mid, they might run it back all the way to 25, 500,
yeah,
540. Maybe.
I agree, because the daily takes precedence over everything else, but
yeah. But they need some sort of an algorithm to kick in. Otherwise, they're gonna flush them back down.
yeah. You guys can hear the music, right?
No.
You can't hear music?
No.
Really?
I don't know if anybody else do.
Can somebody else confirm? Nice, we've got a 5 minute bag as well. A normal FVG, sorry. No music? Why? Wish we just touched that mid. I would have just been in the long right away. But we still have this gap to fill. Maybe in the PM session or something, or maybe like a power hour or something.
If they don't get a reaction by 10:30, then I'll wait for the 11 time. See how we do.
I'm gonna probably attempt this, but I need this 5 minute to close. We still have three and a half minutes left.
The thing is, ES right now is printing an hourly super green candle, 12 hours sitting on the fair value gap, mid, but they can flush. 6,800, there's another fair value gap on the 12 hours.
Do we attempt this? I think we can because we technically touch a lot of important levels, so I think I'll do 1 micro. You may want to come back to this FVG. We still have, I don't know how many, we have 2 minutes left for this to be an actual order flow bullish turning on the lower time frame, on the 3 minute, 5 minute, 1 minute. Combine it with the daily, we only have 15, 1 hour, 4 hour against us. Order flow is still bearish, guys. I think we go to break even here. We'll see how it goes. Truck's gonna flush.
Can you refresh my mind again? What is that tick trader? What is it? They give you like a funded account straight? Is that what it is?
If you pay, if your first time, you can get an instant funded account for $99.
Oh, if it's your first time.
Yeah, and if your second time, I think it's like $120. Right now we did like 65% off. I recommend it, highly recommend it, because it's instant funded and it's end of day trailing drawdown. It's not trading drawdown, it's end of day.
What's the code to use it for if you want?
Shisha. Everything's Shisha. Any profile you can use.
Cool. I'll check it out later today.
Sounds good, brother. I still think this is gonna fail, guys. I think this trade's gonna fail.
Yeah.
But it's worth the shot. We got a good entry. 29 seconds left. Yeah, it's gonna override it. Since it's like the only bullish FVG, everybody's gonna try to be long in it. And the algorithm knows that. But we'll see. This midpoint of this 5 minutes should hold. If not, we cut the trade early. Instead of $100, we'll lose 50. We'll see. 9 seconds left. Because we're going against order flow, guys. No, we closed above it, which is a good sign. It's like okay sign, alright? You know what I mean? Like okay. I think we should go to break even and then take a more confirmed entry than a 2 of soup. I'll move my stop loss to this low. instead of closing here. Got a BPR here. Piping is failing. Yeah, I think we should cut it here. It's definitely gonna come back and take that low out before doing anything, so. But we have to accept the risk. We can always add to the position, guys. Don't always think like it's only 1 micro. If it's going our way, we add to our position. But right now, it looks like we should be decreasing our position. But we'll see. It may touch this and drop down, guys, but hopefully. I want this. Here we go to break even here, okay? At this line we go to break even. We can even take profits here. I'm going to break even. You can close, take a partial here, guys. Take a partial this level. I'm gonna move my TP up. I already hit it anyway. You can target this orange line. I thought I had it on the orange line. Okay, so we're up 600 bucks. Well, with you guys, I think we're up. I don't know.
Drop it to the floor. Let me see that booty roll.
I love that song.
What's up, man? Good job, dude. Nice trade.
Thanks, brother. Appreciate you. Chidley, you saw that break-even trade? You saw how I moved it to break-even?
Oh, Shad in the house.
Chad,
Yeah, that was good, man. That was a perfect break-even. You broke even right at the low of that fair value gap.
Yeah.
Which is a great place, because if it comes back down to test or fuck with that, you don't want to be in that long anyway. So that was awesome.
Thanks, brother. It's all you, bro. I never did break even in ages.
So Shad, are we going all time high or are we going down? What do you think?
There's a lot of stacked news, man, going all the way into the afternoon. So it's a tough call. I tend to favor upside. I mean, they've just been stacking and priming the lows during equity opening range for like the past 3 days. So I don't see any reason why they wouldn't do that today and then fuck everybody on a Friday. We're below the INWOG, right? So, or excuse me, we touched the INWOG and we're below the previous one. So I'm the most obvious thing to me is for it to bounce between 300s and 450s, you know, back and forth between the INWOGs.
Yeah.
So just trade momentum today, and if it's going someplace in a certain direction, don't try to fight it or fade it, because today is a rebalancing day. So it's going to aggressively go to where it needs to go, and then it will stop and clearly tell you, hey, I'm forming a short-term reversal here. And so then you follow the momentum the other way.
Yeah, I think 502 will trade first before they do any fuck up through the volume right now, through the because they usually, like in New York AM, what I notice, if New York AM flushed earlier and took out London, that sweep that happened in the first 5 minutes, when they flush it, they go back and retest it, which is sitting at 502.
Yeah, I also like, and here's the other thing that I didn't know for the longest time. When ICT talks about relative equal highs, he's not just talking about like almost equal or equal highs. Like that's a actually completely different thing. What he's talking about is when the high sweeps the previous high, but it's still relatively equal, which just blew my fucking mind, because I was like, I thought that was supposed to be a protected reversal point. But it turns out it's some of the best fucking targets you can find. So for example, 930 exactly, 928-ish on your screen. Those two swing highs, that one and the green one.
Mm-hmm.
No. And see, that's, Luke, that's what I thought was the relative equal highs. No, go left. Yes. Yes, bro, when they look like that, dude, that's the most powerful fucking point that you could target besides smooth bodies. Right, so smooth bodies, and when the equal highs or lows look like that, yeah.
Real?
Yeah. Yeah, dude, that's what I was like, what the fuck? That I thought that was supposed to be a liquidity sweep. That's a reversal point, and it look, turns out it was. It led to the strongest move in this snippet of price action. But the way that we're overtaking it so aggressively tells me that that's probably a breaker point, and so what your red line is touching on the green candles, that normally would be your breaker, but look to the big fat red candle right in the middle of those two, that one. Those two down close candles, that's a bullish breaker. Yeah. So the chances that we're going to come up and at least tap that and go up into it to get to the supply block, where the highest bearish order block that started this whole run, which is the green, yeah, that guy right there, yeah. So you've got those two arrays sandwiched with each other, and a reason for it to go up to a big figure, and the relative equal highs at a big figure. It's like all signs pointing towards uppies for the time being. And the pause here that's happening could dip us back down to 360s, but I'd rather see that, yeah, it's beautiful. I'd rather see that as an IRB on the 5 minute.
I'm taking some profit off of here, 21.75, just in case they return us back.
Let's go.
Right
Nice
on.
one.
Yeah, at the very least, on the 5 minute, Luke, at the very least, you'll see the open of that fat bearish order block. A couple points above us. Yep, there it goes right there. Ding, bam.
Oh,
Yep,
we should have held that trade, dude.
it's all good.
Look, I came in, I told you I'm going freaking long, dude, as soon as the meeting ended.
We were long, bro, but we closed like the trade we took was not a scalp, bro. It was I don't know. It was 50
nice.
points. It was 50 points.
Here we go. Go,
Yeah,
go.
you shouldn't be in any rush to get back in. Like, you got your piece, and now it's more of just like, it's watching art play out, essentially.
Yeah.
And I feel that 502 is coming. Actually, exactly. Which one is gonna stop us first? 487 and then 5. Yeah, 502.
I just the only thing that pissing me off is that previous monthly mid we missed it by a tick.
I know. But I told you I was talking to you and I said Schwab has it already.
Yeah. Fucking Schwab.
I know. But hey, listen, you know, if they get us above those prints from yesterday, the day before yesterday, the 25,540, this shit is gonna scream, man. If they put us above them and they hold them, they gonna scream them again up. If they do.
Yeah. I was bullish from here, but when I saw the N1, I thought it was just going there, so we took shorts here to that near the N1.
Look at this, I'm gonna send you a short in the main chat with the super green candle on the hourly. Look at this. Look when she comes in, man. This fucking candle is nuts.
Dude, I'm telling you, they're fucking priming the shit out of these 9 a.m. opens, man.
Yeah, but watch 487 first. Need to break to get above that 500.
That's an hourly bearish breaker, by the way. That should get inverted if we're bullish for the day. So at the the open of it is sitting right at 500. So there's like all this confluence for 500s. Yeah. Now the thing is, Luke, if price doesn't get there quickly, there's something else happening first, right? So if we just can't make a sharp move up right now for 500s, which it seems like is coming, yeah, there it goes. That's price action you want to see. Just it needs to continue and not do deep retracements. But if it starts stalling before it gets to 500s, they're going to take it all the way down to the other big figure first, and then they may come back for it later. So just watch out in the 90s. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah,
9,
87 is
I'm
a
gonna
little
attempt to
bit.
short long here. I'm expecting this to be a breakaway gap, so my stop loss is at the FVG high. And Charlie, do we target the high or this high?
Split the difference.
Yeah, look at the wick.
Split the difference between the two and go for the EQ of the difference. Yeah, you're good.
What about the midpoint of this wick? Shouldn't it have any value?
Well, yes, but because there's also a SIBI right there, so what's the point of using that wick when you could just use the EQ of that SIBI?
Yeah.
And that wick is what, 487? Is that what it is? That line? What
89.
is that? Yeah, 89.
I could sort of look at it like it's going to get there anyways. What's the point of using it as an important array? Why don't we look above it?
Here we go.
Let's go.
487.
Oh no, it didn't touch it.
487.
Do I go break even? Yeah, let's go. Okay. Break even, guys. Break even.
Yeah, go break even because it's worth getting stopped out if it comes all the way back down there.
Now we touch 502. Let's do
Now
it.
pull a partial. Luke, pull a partial.
Take a partial, guys.
Yes, take a partial for sure.
Pay yourself.
Great.
Yep.
Oh, quickly.
Nice.
Oh my god, dude, that's... How do you do that when Price is zooting around,
Didn't you see my face, bro?
manually
I was-
remembering to adjust your orders?
Yeah.
That was nuts. Quick.
That was nuts quick, bro. Just in time we took a partial.
Sorry, man. That was like, okay, ready. That's why I took the ES. ES didn't touch the level that I wanted, but I was like, you know what? NQ's there. Let's do it.
Hey, what's up?
Yo,
Not.
Yo, I think that's couscous. Couscous in the house.
Oh, I thought it was on.
The food's so nice, they named it twice.
yep. What's up, guys?
What's up?
Okay, I'm gonna be down to one runner, and that's it for the day. They
That's
can
all
do
right.
whatever they want.
I was really done pre-market, but this market is fun to trade right now. So long you just follow you.
Luke, you streaming on YouTube?
Yeah, I am, ain't I?
Is inner cause for is Walid?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It is right there.
Man, I didn't even know that you changed your name, buddy.
Been forever, dude.
You're tricking
we
me.
do a bit of trolling here.
He's the anti-Saeed,
Oh, 100%.
polar opposites.
What's up?
Your anti-birth rate? Come on, Walid.
One's Mossad and the other is TP USA.
USA. USA.
Charlie, I had this idea today. Like, let's say you buy 150k account on Top Step, and that's 150, and then you buy activation fee, that's 300, right? Now, that's for one account. But if you get 5 TPTs for 100 each, let's say you have only 500 bucks to your name, you get 5 TPT 50ks. And if you just get them to the buffer and then take half the buffer and close the accounts, that's instant 5k, just from a 500 bucks investment.
Right. I think that the only consideration is the market conducive to
Do that.
trailing drawdown accounts right
Yeah, to play with train and drawdown. Yeah.
I think
now? Like,
it's
is it
perfect right now.
okay because we're really strong on each move? It's explosive enough for long enough for me to get some chunk out without it coming back on me and ruining my intraday trailing. If that's the case, then and it's a good time for it, then yeah. But if it's not, then it's time for Top Step, you know.
Yeah.
But yeah, I mean it seems reasonable. I mean, you're netting money, so why not? If you're gonna make it, and if they don't like close you down for supposed abuse, if you do it more than too many times. That could
Yeah,
be a
like-
pretty good hack.
By the way, Luke, the guys that I shared yesterday had reached out because I sent them a message about having my DLR. and they said that I was a risky asset. It's because I rinsed them a lot. They thought that half in my DLL would do anything. They don't know me, son. Tell him, Chatley, tell him.
Yeah.
Does half in my DLL does anything if I don't hit it?
Yeah. If you just don't lose, you always win.
If you don't lose, you always win, bro.
Yeah, if you're homeless, just buy a house.
Just buy a house. If you're homeless, just buy a house. Dumb.
Pretty
Shit,
simple,
but,
isn't it, mate?
what's your opinion though on those new things that they keep talking about, dude? Like mortgage 50 years, car loans 15
Dude.
years. What the fuck is this?
I've never
That's
seen
kinda
more.
stupid, bro.
Dude, I've never seen somebody speed run their own political demise like that before. It's fucking it's crazy to watch.
Then
None of us agree with that, bro. And there's nobody in America that wants to be a debt slave for generations. Fuck that.
Yeah.
In the
You know, the
1950s,
50-year mortgage, this is like, if the average person is buying a home around 40 or 45, they're gonna pass away before
I
they
know, dude. It's so stupid.
mortgage.
Yeah, you're gonna have instead of generational wealth, you're gonna have generational debt.
Generational interest payments, bro. So yeah, I mean,
15 years? What the fuck?
it's really retarded, and so what's happening is he surrounded himself like a jackass again. I don't know why he didn't learn his lesson again. He surrounded himself with rhino institutional advisors and cabinet members. So there's a lady called Susan Wiles, there's a person called Howard Lutnick, and others that are bringing him all of these bad ideas and keeping the people with good ideas from getting to him. And all they're doing is just waiting his term out. They're making him as most useless as possible and ineffective while pretending to get something done. Pam Bondi, she's doing the same thing. She's running out the clock on major criminal investigations. It's just really bad, man. Nobody wants what they're suggesting, to answer your question. Nobody.
Yeah.
I can't speak for everybody, obviously, but like literally 8 out of 10, 9 out of 10 Americans, people who love America and love their country, do not want what these people are suggesting. We do not want to support Israel, our shittiest ally that spies on us and fucking. Dude, I'm telling you, man.
But they got stuff on they got
Do you know
Israel
they're
got
doing the
stuff on
biggest
everybody.
geofencing operation right now? Mossad, in our own country, in America, is geofencing the location of Americans and profiling them on a mass scale. Not to mention we're doing it to ourselves through, VHS and shit. But I'm telling you, man, it's getting really scary. The digital ID shit's coming on all fronts everywhere, and I don't know what kind of world my kids are going to be living in, but I'm not happy about where things are going, and I'll just leave it at that.
Yeah, Luke, make sure to delete the VOD, bro.
The what?
Delete the VOD.
Got you, bro.
Is your ICTs asking, what do you want for Christmas this year?
Oh man, I don't need it. Jordan, you don't need it. Don't post. You don't need it.
I want you to be off the internet, you old geezer.
I just want him to fucking be honest for once and give us a real thing and not. He said multiple times, by the way, if you guys haven't caught this or caught on to this, he says, I will never give you the real stuff. I'll never give you what I'm saving for my family. You only get table scraps. You only get secondary stuff. You don't get the real entries. I get the real entries. And he just like brags about it all the time.
I think
Yeah,
it's
he gives you
bullshit.
breadcrumbs for engagement. And it's not nefarious. He's just a sad, old, lonely man who had a really fucked up childhood who gets his validation from the internet. And I'm grateful to him for, the basics that he's taught us. If I hadn't done the charter membership with him, I never would have heard him say stuff while he was trading. you guys got it. You guys got to see it in 2023. He started actually talking through his trades. Okay, I want to see this now. This is why I'm looking for that. We're on the 15 second, we're on the 5 second, and here's a volume imbalance inside of a 1 minute order block inside of the second stage of MMXM. So I'm going to go full size here. And he would drop on a real live account, he would drop like 20 lots with a fucking 3-point stop loss. And it would go to his take profit almost every time. Or if it didn't, he would see it coming. And that was back when the market was moving really good. It's so fucked up and shitty now that all of his stuff is clouded and muddied, and fair value gaps are fucked up. You can't trust a raise like you used to. But back in the day when I was doing the training, holy shit, man, he was like a fucking trading god. It was insane to watch him do that. Like every single day for an entire year, whether he was sick or whatever, dude, I would get on there, I would be on the live stream, and all the charter members would watch him talk out his trades. And just that itself was worth the entire charter payments. I think I paid somewhere around $2,400 at the end of it on my 13th month to get the charter for life access. So, you know, I'm rambling, but God bless him. Just give us something real, or just shut the fuck up. Okay? That's all I'm asking.
Yeah. No, I'm grateful. Everything I'm doing is because of him, but like lately he's just annoying.
Yeah, I agree.
He used to be annoying, but
He-
like you would benefit from his annoyingness, but now it's just
It would be
annoyingness.
useful, and now it's just
Yeah,
straight
no.
up attention farming.
Yeah. Charlie, what do you think about this long?
Let me see here. So this is another thing I avoided doing. I avoided longing or taking trades in the middle of a range. So what I think about it is that you've probably got a 60% chance of being correct. So if you get some sort of momentum in your favor, you might want to consider reducing your stop or going break even.
Yeah.
That's all I'll say about that.
Yeah. I'm still bearish, to be honest with you guys. Till we touch that monthly mid. If we didn't, I'll be holding max size long.
Yeah, they might come to that 200 if they go down below it to close that gap.
You're fighting, what is it? Was it Cam's model? Yeah, I think you're fighting Cam's model right now, which is the first fair value gap out of the expansion.
Oh shit, that's Cam's model?
Yeah, and there are some other things on it, but the 5 or 1 minute has something to do. I think I got a whole playlist on Cam's model. I tried it for a while. I wasn't a big fan. It was, yeah.
I saw it on YouTube. You didn't enjoy it that much.
No, I did. I stopped immediately.
Yeah. Without my cookies, I'm just a monster.
Yeah. I laughed so
Also,
hard to
guys-
myself when I thought about making that. I was like, I hope people get a kick out of this.
Yeah. Also, guys, even with their rule of me having 500 DLL, look what I made today. Told you, 500
Yeah,
DLL
let's
doesn't
go.
matter if you win.
Who's trying to stiff arm you with their rules?
I'll type it down. I don't want to say it publicly.
I just want to keep their name out of my mouth. That's how. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm not surprised at all.
Yeah.
When Aqua Futures came out, there was instantly another firm with the same page, with the same rules, with the same graphics. At the
Yeah,
same
I
time.
know what you're talking about.
I forgot their name, but they were both from Dubai. I was like, this is probably a scam from this.
Bro, so once I took like 2 payouts, and both of the payouts were good, you know, They were like, you're a risky asset. We're gonna have your DLL, $500 per day. I was like, 500 is still a lot to me though. All I have to do is get the first trade 1-to-1, like risk
Get it
400 for
right. That's
400,
right. Exactly.
and then
That's
and then I'll
yeah.
fuck you over, you know.
You snag the first trade, you get that cushion, and then beat them over the head with your cushion.
Yeah, just
Good
take
approach.
my yeah. I was gonna say some heinous shit, but I forgot we were streaming, so. Yeah, but lately I found out that no matter what DLL I have, all I have to do is play around it and wait for an A++ setup and, just go for it. Instead of taking anything and everything,
Yeah. Charlie, do you think we'll tap this auto block auto opening price?
I think you're gonna get trolled. Yeah.
Yep.
Thanks.
If you get a chance to BE, I'd
That's
take
what-
it and then accept your fate.
Like right now or above it?
No, yeah. If it goes above it,
Or kind of want to move my stop loss just here for a sec because this was obviously very, very obvious into all these key levels. And I do want to
Yeah,
take
also,
more.
guys, Tradeify?
Yeah.
Yeah, I used to use them, and I had an account with them, and they banned Moroccans. So
Damn.
I I used my last account, and I lost it, and now I can't create anymore with.
Damn, bro. Why are they banning it? Same thing, the fraud stuff?
Yeah, Morocco is like a shit ass country. Maybe once I get married, I'll move out of here.
God willing, brother.
Maybe I'll come to Turkey, eh?
Come.
Trade and smoke shisha while coding and vibing.
Yeah, I'd love that. Yeah, I'm bearish, guys, but I'm just waiting for one pump to save our ass. Pretty much just a hopeful trade. This is our last line of defense. We touched the order point price with the order block. If it wants to go up, it should go up now. I put my stop loss just below the midpoint. Whoa, that's too far away.
Chadley, you played Final Fantasy stuff or not?
back in the day, it's been quite a while.
You like that type of like turn-based, story-based games?
Not a big fan, but I love Kingdom Hearts, man. That's that's the music is my jam. The only problem I have with it now that I'm older is like literally the entire opening scene is just like jam-packed with an orgy of Masonic symbolism.
Uh-huh.
And the way they speak and the light and the terms they use and stuff like that, it's like, whoa, Disney, what the fuck, dude? Like, you guys aren't even trying to hide it anymore.
Yeah.
But the game is amazing. So yeah, Final Fantasy, not so much, but definitely.
Maybe you should try Expedition 33.
Okay, I'll check it
It's
out.
a
Is it
really good
PS5?
game, bro. Let me check. I played it on PC. I think it's on PS5.
Right on. Yeah, I'm a Assassin's Creed dude. I love Black Flag. That was an amazing game, dude. That. Oh man, they just went downhill with every single Assassin's Creed from there.
Yeah, it became shit. I used to play Assassin's Creed a lot too.
Yeah, did you know that the first Assassin's Creed were made in Morocco?
I heard about something
Yeah,
like that.
that's
'Cause
cool shit.
the map was something to do with Morocco or Egypt.
Yeah, no, the developers were
Developer
Moroccan.
team.
Wow.
Yeah. Yeah, the game is on PS5, Chadley.
Right on.
Oh shit, we just shorted weekly open,
But-
bro.
But just check some videos before you buy it, in case you don't like it.
Okay.
Yeah, they're getting
For
weaker,
me-
but
Oh, sorry, Aluk, we're messing with your trading.
No, it's
unless
okay.
they're flushing that double bottom and then they run it again.
Well, we're getting that 1 minute. Oh, that's long. No. We'll go break even it once we break this low.
Can you scroll to the left a little bit?
We got weekly open. Look, Chad.
Why would it?
Go ahead.
Do you see that little tiny gap down there
Yeah.
on the left side of your V swing? The V reversal at 9:45.
Yeah, this one.
Look at that. Yes.
So
Can you mark that out?
I marked every one of here
That-
except this one.
That's your barometer. That's going to tell you what's about to happen.
Yo.
If you get anything more than 2 up blocks or up closes on these candles, you're probably cooked.
I am. I think so too. We're just shifting off profits right now. I want that previous monthly mid level though.
That's good. That's really good. Get below the open of that bearish order block. Get below it and go fill that gap, and then you'll be in a good spot. It should form another civvy if that's the case, and then you'll see all the way down to that rejection block, the halfway point of it.
Yeah. What stop loss?
I would leave it be right now until we figure out where we're going to get, because I mean, even if we're going down, it could get back to 40 on a day like this. It could go to 45s on you or 48s before you get your target. But right now, it's shitting to the target immediately. So the rejection block is what you want to mark out, halfway point. Take profits or partials just before that, and then extend your remaining. Take profit. You may not get a chance. No, well, too late.
Yeah, we got
Okay.
DP. Oh shit.
So that's
hold on.
filled. Yeah. And then extend your remaining one. Your target should be the ERD of that rejection block. Double it. Yeah. 1 standard deviation. Yep, that's double of the longest wick.
Yeah,
That's
but
the external range demarker. That's what it calls it.
I only wanted this though, Charlie. That this because I just want this level.
Yeah, but it's gonna wick into previous monthly mid if it gets there. So you might as well hit the ERD, or half of the ERD if you want to be conservative. Would be what, 77s?
Alright, what about break even? That second edition pushed my average entry down. I don't like my average entry down. We had a much better entry there.
It's fine. What you'd want to see is the civvy stays open and that block up there stays untouched. And if it doesn't, then you're wrong anyway, so you might as well get stopped out. Okay, there you go.
Oh, we went back our loss. Well,
So it formed relative equal lows, and they may prime that and go all the way to the halfway point or the quarter level of this recent down dealing range. It'll get strong from here if that's the case.
it just doesn't make sense going all the way down and not take this again twice.
They did
they're-
it already before. I told you.
They're
they ran on
positioning,
15, man.
yeah, that's been the flavor of the week. All week they've been doing these down runs and then stopping right before the key level or key swing point and then just reversing. So somebody's in there playing games and it just is what it is. That's the thing, I think Michael will never tell us exactly how it works. The 2 probabilities. He's either completely fucking lying about it, which I can't believe that. Because I've seen it. I've seen it when it back in 2021, 2022. Everything was delivered on a schedule and to the tick. One tap into a fair value gap, it was gone, right to your take profit, all the time, constantly, no matter what. And it just got more difficult, but it still has that element of programmatic delivery behind it. What's happening though is there are now so many participants of such a huge size, of such a huge ability to influence and manipulate short-term areas of bid-ask spreads and so on and so forth. It's making the delivery and the scheduled delivery take longer and look shittier, but it still gets there. And so, I mean, what are you going to do? Are you going to reprogram your entire system that was set up back in the 70s? Or, you know, that costs millions of dollars likely to maintain at NASDAQ and CME, their infrastructure, so on and so forth.
I used to think that.
Or are you guys, are you just going to join the people who are doing this and extract fees from them? So they pay these exchanges to manipulate the markets like they do, the smart money desks that he's talking about. It's a hand-in-hand relationship. They're both fucking everyone over, and they're getting paid to do it. So my take on it is that when you're trading the US indexes nowadays, 9 times out of 10, you're trading manipulation. That's manual interference or some sort of manipulation of what the normal price delivery would have been that day. And 1 out of 10 times or 2 out of 10 times that you trade, are you ever really in a true, quote, low resistance liquidity run? And he won't admit that. He won't admit that he fucked up and his shit doesn't work as good anymore, because it's not only is the thing that I just talked about happening, but other participants and players are actively targeting ICT entries now for liquidity to offset their entries in the exits. So it's player versus player, wild fucking west right now, and that's why you just gotta get with the momentum of what the asset is doing, get in, get out, and don't fucking hold anymore. Unless it's just like one of those days that's clearly moving and it's just a freight train, and then you just try to get position where you can, go to break even, and just walk away for the day and see what happens.
Yeah.
I'm sorry for ranting on your stream, bro, but there's
No, I love it.
that had
I'm
be
listening
covered.
to each one of them. You're absolutely right, Chad. Gonna go break even at this rejection block. But I think it's gonna pump through our stop loss before we're doing that. Come on, there we go. We should be taking a partial here. But yeah, let's take a partial maybe. Well, that was a bit late for it. Break even trade. I think this trade will work out, but the rejection block. I'm starting to love this break even trades, Chadley.
You're not getting punched in the face constantly. You're just basically paying a little bit of time, and then oftentimes you'll get a better entry or see a better trade after your break even gets stopped out. So
Yeah.
it's an amazing thing to do, especially with the way I just explained the markets we're working on manipulation. That means mean reversion. It means stopping before obvious targets and reversing. It means going back and forth in a really wicked way over a 15-point range more often than not. So why not break even?
Yeah.
It's gonna feel bad if you guys are first doing this for a couple of weeks. It'll feel like shit. You'd be like, what the fuck? I hate this. And then eventually your brain will be like, hey, I'm not losing.
Exactly.
And you'll look at your P&L and it's like $3 profit, $2 profit, $5 profit. And it's like, okay, I'm still printing green, and the red doesn't show up and it doesn't wreck you psychologically.
Exactly. No, it's gonna go for that level now. gonna go to our level without us, guys. No, Chadley, no. It feels good to know you're right now.
Yeah.
It stopped us out break even. It's fine. No loss, no gain. But psychologically, it went to where you wanted it. But see that previous split.
You want to be wrong when you get stopped out at break even because your brain wants to feel good about avoiding something, but when you're right and you don't get to participate, you're gonna have to fight that for about a week and a half, and then it will stop feeling like that. And the reason for that is because when you go break even, it means you're forcing yourself to take more trade opportunities at different areas of different styles for different reasons with different narratives. And you eventually become a trader that can literally just sit down at your computer and just get in at any time they want on something that looks decent. And the more often, so the thing that you're banking on is, am I right? That's not what you're banking on in this case. As a break-even trader in this environment, you're saying, am I right enough from the beginning of the trade to get my stop to break even and find out for free what's going to happen? So what does that mean? It means if we're clearly pushing on hard momentum, jump in the trade, get some momentum in your favor, immediately go to break even. If you get stopped out, then you're fucking early. If you don't, then guess what? You were right. Ta-da! Like, it's... I don't know why I fought this for fucking years, man. For like 6.5 years, I fought this. And I love it now. I love it, dude. I will never go back to the other style of trading, which is just like well, let me set well, it's a reasonable distance, it shouldn't come back here, let me set a 10-point stop loss. Fucking taken every time. I would get so frustrated because I would be right, dude. It would go in my favor, but it would come grab me first, and I'm like, what the fuck is going on?
Yeah.
And it was just the thing I talked about earlier. Markets are harder, there's more participants, every day's manipulation, you just got to deal with it.
I agree, bro. Wow.
I'm sorry, I've been yapping while the market's been dumping. Don't get FOMO though, because look at the 4-hour gap that we're filling.
Yeah, that's what that's the draw I have. I think a perfect long would be here.
You might get 200, 205.
Possibly, yeah.
But ES just tagged the, what is it? Thursday, November 6th FB? Oh. As your papa said, previous NWA closed up.
Still got a
Thanks,
point.
Pops.
Still got a point.
Yeah.
He's my internet dad and I love him. But he's got to pull it back on the fucking engagement farming, and it's too much, man. Too much.
Yeah.
Ready for a dose?
Yes, sir. Pardon.
It's funny to us because when the Telegram was still private back in the day, as the charter only means of charter communication with him, and he allowed replies and he would interact with us, talk to us. He'd say, "Watch this," and then he'd tell us about something, and he'd say, "Watch this. This is going to happen," and then it would happen, and then he would immediately post on X. You would see him post on X, "Ready for a dose," and it would be the video that he'd just shown us of what had happened. So like every time y'all got ready for a dose, we already knew what it was and it was coming. So it's pretty fun. miss the old days.
I'm trying to catch the low right now. I think we're. I
Are
think.
you trying to knife catch?
Yeah.
It's a knife catch here if they don't.
Full
hold.
size long right now, Luke.
Let's
Really?
do it.
Not just paper. And you guys don't take this trade.
Yeah.
No, I'm underfunded right now. I took 2 micro. I added 1
Oh, shit.
gladly.
Okay. All right. So what you're expecting is a return to 280s, or at least 260s. We get to 260s and you get out.
Yeah, I want 54 at least. But we got 250 level at 49. 50, sorry.
It's not holding very strong. You need to push out of here or you're wrong. Okay. So just don't. Okay. There it goes.
250.
Wait
Shall I
for
get
it.
out here? Push it here?
Yeah. Well, it's gonna. Ooh. That doesn't look very good. I would bail on this if you can.
Alright.
If you get a push up.
I bailed out. I break even.
If it goes from here, you might be able to catch something, but it looked like it was coming down on the. I'm looking at the 4 hour right now again.
4 hour
So what-
was
what you're-
186.
You're looking at 186.
Yeah.
Oh, the Civi high.
Yeah, the
Yeah, that's
BPR.
reasonable. I was looking at the order block. Well, not. It's technically not an order block. And the volume imbalance down there at the 2500 evens. And 2500 evens is a big figure. We're moving with extreme velocity. We're coming all the way from the 23rd of October into that BPR. There's liquidity targets beyond that BPR, so if we're going to be bearish, then you're actually looking for like 200 more points to the downside.
Yeah, I want to short. Do you agree?
Yeah, go ahead and pop one in.
I'll target at 186.
Okay. Just as long as it doesn't base out and start pumping above intermediate term highs, ITHs, which would be the one that I'd be concerned about on the tick chart is at 41.25. If you stay up, we don't want to get above that, but if we
Yeah.
stay above it, that's a problem.
Midpoint of the swag.
Oh, there it goes. It may just be taking a short-term high and being problematic. We'll see.
I added 1 more
Okay, good.
on the touch there.
What's your average entry? I'm looking at my charts, not the stream.
229.
Two,
Break-
nine, I'll
break
be
even right
break
now.
even. Recover.
If the order flow is still bearish, it should respect the midpoint of this and just keep running down.
No,
Just the stop loss
stay below
is,
that midpoint.
yeah, it's too tight of a stop loss.
Okay, you're good. You're good, bro. That looks like a breakaway gap. I hope it stays open. On the 100 tick chart, there's a fat gap that just on that dive down that just happened. Should at least get down. Okay, yeah. There's P. John's 200s, GG's on that call, buddy.
Nice. I'm taking 2 micros off
Oh.
here, guys.
204s.
Break even. Got to break even.
Yeah. If it fills that gap, it's going to dick around and come all the way back up to the previous gap.
Yeah.
But I think it'll keep going down from here. It looks pretty heavy.
Yeah. To 186 hopefully.
Yeah.
Oh, we will have 200 level. Shall we take partial there? But I'll close our trade.
You have a chance to do the funniest thing right now and move that to 187.
I did. I did already. I'm not playing with those sneaky one pointers. Where's our stop loss?
So I'm wanting to see 73s. That's what I'm looking for right now.
73.
Immediate run to 73, 74-ish. Right out of the gate from here. Right from here. Boom. Juice down. Mega juice. Here it comes.
I would take my 600 profit and just get out. But I think we'll get 187.
How many contracts do you have left?
One.
Oh. Well, yeah, you could get out.
Go to break even.
Yeah, break even if you're not already.
You got
It
your
was
200?
it was in profit. Like I pushed it back to break even. Well, we got a new fair value gap.
No, they're gonna get
Yes,
you.
at a decent spot.
I think they're gonna stop
They're
us
gonna
at break
get you.
even, bro, because they don't want to give the 200. Oh, they took 200 already.
They already did. They already
Oh,
did.
shit.
Yeah, they delivered it.
How come you didn't take profit? I told you just take it at 200.
I did. I took 2
Oh, he
micros.
did. He scaled out most of his position.
Yeah.
I want a long ES again here, but it's,
I was thinking about that too. But
ES is a decent
yeah,
spot.
4 hour looks like it wants to set another civvy, so you're fighting that.
Unless ES is gonna come down and fill the NWAG against the NQ, because ES is kind of a little bit behind in that.
Oh, is it lagging?
Yeah, ES didn't traded the NWAG.
Thank God, dude. Finally, NQ is the relative strength leader again.
I did one more.
Hallelujah.
I did one more.
The relative strength on the short side.
I did one more. I went to break even on that. I did one more going to break even.
Nice.
We'll take one partial at 200 again. If it doesn't stop us out. Hold on, where's my stop loss? The midpoint of this stupid thing. Damn. It's gonna probably stop us out. Touch this midpoint then drop. I think that's what it's gonna do.
Try again.
Yeah. Stop the
Try again.
Again shorts?
Mm-hmm. You see how fast it's going up every time?
Yeah.
Feels like a scam.
Yeah.
Oh my God, bro.
We feel the volume mass and the midpoint of this wick should hold. It should not take that high. Or maybe come back to this, dig into this high, this midpoint of this wick.
Oh, we're getting scammed. Unless this is the new high on this trend line that should be priming. I want to see them prime this and then dump, but they're not. They're coming for it. Sorry, bro.
It's okay. Maybe come back to that 5 minute or this wick. I don't know. I want to attempt here.
It's gotta go from here,
Down or up?
or you're into some fuckery. Yeah, they're.
Maybe hit the 200 and that's it for the day. I
No,
don't know.
bail, dude. Just bail.
Hold on, let me see how much we're risking. $3. Yeah, I should bail. This is too bullish.
Give it.
I snagged
Two-
the
two more
ES
candles.
a little bit.
Give it 2 more candles just in case ES is gonna drag NQ down again. Just allow it to fuck around up here for a little bit.
If ES hold the strong zone, they will grab both of them up.
Damn.
And they don't let ES to take the N1 hit. They might save it for tomorrow.
This is so cracked, bro. You've got an hourly changeover, Luke, and a 4 hour that looks like it wants to stay civvy.
We'll come into time, 11, 10, 15, very soon.
Dude, this is just yucky.
I think we can trust this.
Yeah, thank you, bro. Like, come on. That's a fucking scam, man. Watch it go up. Feel that. Yeah, look at that. Oh.
Wow.
Let's go! Push, push.
Somebody's in here fucking around. Did you get out already? I can't see your screen. Are you still holding this?
No, we just got stopped up for $40.
For $40?
Yeah.
That's not bad at all, man.
I mean, all the trades are $50, $100 trades.
Oh, they really did not let that go
Keep an eye
down
on
to the...
ES. If ES hold that low, they're gonna pump both. If ES didn't hold that low, they will take it, and so they can get ES to fill the M1.
£60 away. Luke, go ahead and short this again.
Okay, stop loss.
Yeah, and if you're wrong, I want you to flip long and target 352s.
Okay, but where would be our stop loss? Where would you put your stop loss?
284s.
Just above the mid, the previous monthly mid.
Damn, bro.
I think it's gonna keep. I don't know. Wow.
Yeah, somebody's in here fucking with this, man, because this is just wild. I guess somebody bailed on a long or something and got wrecked. And just something is pushing this price up like that. It should go down further.
I'm not interested in long until we
Did
hit
you-
186 at least. So go ahead, Chadley. I'm profit $20 right now. Break even.
I was about to say, as long as you're at break even, that's all we care about, because we could be wrong and it could jam up to 300s.
Oh, I'm not at break even. The price is at break even.
Oh, okay. Sorry. Misunderstood. I'm not liking the way that this is acting, though. Give it one more chance.
Midpoint of this wick.
They're just acting because of ES, and the 200 will be strong also below that mid-month of NQ. They return it, they're gonna push it up again during that time, 11, 10, 15. If not, and they cannot break above the mid again, they're gonna push it down with the ES, if that's gonna be the case.
I'm watching the 100-tick chart right now, so
We're up
I'd
$40
like to
right
see.
now. Maybe just call it that 500 if we get it. Like $500 profit. I don't know. I like this short. I don't know how much it can sustain though.
As
Go
long
break
as you're
even.
at break even, that's all we care about.
Alright, I'm gonna break even now.
And just be aware of the 11, 10, 15 time, what they do.
Take partials early if they don't stop you out first on a wake up. Dude, come on. NQ, stop being so fucking gay, bro. This is, okay, thank you. Can you fucking sustain that? Are you still in the trade?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, take your partials, please.
Alright, I'll take one partial, guys. Stop loss at break even. One partial secured.
I'd like to see this tick gap left open. Here, let me show you what I'm looking at.
Yeah, this means.
Anıl Bey hoş geldiniz. Ne içersiniz? 3 ay tabii. Nargilemiz oluyor efendim.
We're at 50 points profit right now. We're going for 80 points. Not bad. It's just so relaxing when you're break even, bro. Why haven't I done this before?
Yeah.
I'm gonna start putting the picture of hold the line for ES.
That's funny, bro.
We're gonna laugh about it too, sometimes.
Oh, man.
I wanna flush it.
Ah, nice, we got BPR.
Yeah, so I still want to see the 173s, but as you obviously just suffered through, it got really wicked for a little bit and did way more than it should have. But that's okay.
Shall I decrease my stop loss down, profit?
Yeah, slide it down to try to get stopped out. Like in 10 that you're going to get stopped out. Slide it down to 26s, please.
It's not letting me change my stop
20,
loss.
26.75. 26.75.
26.75?
Mm-hmm.
What do you mean?
25226.75.
256.
226.
25226. Wait, 25226. Okay. Right, that would secure me by 600 bucks. Just less.
Yeah.
25226 right now.
Yep. Come on, Q, quit being a bitch. Let's go. Oh, they're gonna, don't you dare. Don't do it.
You know, I just realized actually 415 points. Yes, it's 80 points. I wasn't even looking at those numbers.
Yeah, it's been moving. It's been moving. Hell,
Just look our entry, bro. Look our entry. Equal bodies. Hi. We were not able to catch the lows, guys. We were not able to catch the lows, but we were able to catch the high. I mean, it's something.
Yeah, we had to
3
take.
minutes. 3 minutes for time. They're gonna flush this shit.
We had to take one pot shot. Hey, go ahead and close it out, man. Go ahead and close it.
Done.
Clear your orders.
Done, guys. Let's fucking go.
You guys can leave it if you want, but for Luke, I think he had a target that he wanted, so it's better to just get your target for the day and be done with it. There's some news announcements coming in the afternoon.
Yeah. I want 181.
Yeah, I can continue flushing, but you caught a really nice move to the downside, so.
Yeah.
It's all about time right now. They're gonna either scream or they're gonna take it down. Fill it up.
70
Let's
points.
do
please.
it.
What are they gonna scream for? Ice cream?
Ice cream up.
And
Hey,
Fig
listen,
Newtons?
they take it in time. They take it in time. You're gonna trade the mid again. You will see. You will trade the mid.
Oh
Trade
shit.
the mid month again.
Chaddy, we got Mossad in here.
Masad, what are you doing?
Where's he at? I don't see. Oh. Come on, yes. You're in some more strong area, buddy. Come on, don't do this shit.
Wait.
Come on. Give me my 10-15 points and I will exit. It's okay.
Not bad, bro. 600 on the day, trading 1 or 2 micros.
Yeah, man. Awesome, bro.
Thanks,
Crazy, man.
Let's go. Let's go. Up it. Up it. 1 minute. 11:10. 1 minute. I want to see the reaction, actually.
I think we'll get 181 before looking for any longs. I would not look for any longs until 181.
181.
Because look here, like this whole pump was NWAG. I still wanted that previous monthly mid. It came all the way up here, didn't touch the 550 level, just touched previous mid, and it went straight to previous monthly mid. From weekly mid to monthly mid, single direction. I still can't believe we shorted weekly open. Like that was so stupid of me. It worked out, but still
Yeah,
was
but
stupid.
right now is time. 5 seconds. 3
Yeah.
seconds. Come on. Huh?
We want You won, bro. We won. I won. Shall I go back in? Nah.
Mr. Jackson.
Stop right there, Mr. Jackson. I should be Jack and hit the road. Is anybody still holding? With like a break-even trade? If you're still holding, hold the break-even. We caught 70 points, Chadley. It's insane.
Yeah, it's pretty nice, man. The micros pay off when the range is so big. These fat runs come in. You can make, 150, 200 a trade with a single micro. It's just insanity.
Exactly.
I got one more day and I'll take a third payout, and then 2 more payouts after that. They'll fucking move me to live, but I'm not looking forward to it.
Let's go, Chadley. Well done.
I'm not looking
The
forward
thing
to
I
the
told you,
broker switch,
Chadley, do
man.
the thing.
Do what?
Do the thing I told you.
Someone make sound.
Oh, the thing?
Yeah.
What thing? Why am I not in on this inside joke? Cheating on me.
It was just some. Yeah. I'll talk about it.
Yeah, we need to talk about it offline.
It's a weak reaction so far out of that time.
That's what she said.
Yeah.
Wait, government reopened?
It,
Did the government open?
Yeah, last night, and they banned hemp. Some douchebag snuck in an amendment to ban hemp all across the nation.
Ban what? How?
Immediately put all the farmers out of business, and all the stores. A lot of us in America are like extremely fucking pissed off right now, like on the brink of exploding.
yeah.
So just say that.
How it hasn't happened yet is beyond me, to be honest.
Dude, I don't understand
I-
what everybody's waiting for, but we're
I
waiting
don't
for
either.
something.
I don't either. I don't either. It's
Why are
bullshit
we
on
not
bullshit on
standing-
bullshit. And they're throwing bullshit in our face and nothing is happening. It's insane. It's absolutely insane.
Why are we not standing gun to gun, shoulder to shoulder in the middle of the street having armed protest at the very least?
100% agree.
You know what I mean? I'm not like, oh, it's gonna do anything. It will say, hey, we're fucking pissed off and now start listening. And
Nope.
And the problem that we have is everybody in Congress on both sides are selfish, narcissistic, because you have to be that to lie to enough people to get to that level. And then if they're not that way, then they get bent over by their donors. And if they try to escape their donorism, then they get primaried from the donor giving money to the other person who can be controlled. So it's just this dirty fucking game that's being played
Exactly.
for fucking centuries.
For way too long. Exactly. I agree with you, Chad. I hate both sides equally. Like, I don't see any politician that actually cares about people right now. Like, both sides. The Democrats and Republican system just needs to die. It's ridiculous.
Yeah,
That's
and
ridiculous.
if you look at exactly. And if you look at it, dude, you know how many of the 535 members of Congress have a Israeli handler, an AIPAC handler,
Exactly,
or are
dude.
completely fucking owned by Israel
Exactly.
and or are literal fucking dual citizens of Israel while running for Congress or being in
100%.
It's like, dude, it's just it's all just a farce, man. We're all just playing this pretend fake social game of, hey, we've got a social compact, there's some sort of constitution. It's all bullshit. It's just all performative, and we're all just having a thinly veiled 3-day supply chain interruption away from fucking pure anarchy chaos at any given time. It's crazy to think that every day we live like that.
Yeah. I agree. Me and my brothers talk about it all the time. It's just insane how far it's gotten. Well, I couldn't even say how far it's gotten. It's because it's been like this. It's the fact that now we know. It's like it's in the open that it's like this.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sorry for venting, Luke.
No, yeah,
It's good.
it's okay.
Keep it going. Keep it going. I like that chatting. Keep it going.
Give us
The
fucking traction.
Lysander Spooner, you should check that out on YouTube. The science.
Lysander
I tried to get
Spooner.
Luke to listen to it, and he almost fell asleep. I think he did fall asleep. Actually.
I did.
He said, "Fuck this! I'm going to bed. Fuck this."
I left the shisha cafe and I went straight to bed.
No, keep it running, bro. Keep it running. I want to hear it.
Okay, I'm long on that 97 a quarter, and I need above 210 at least to get my 10-12 points. If they
You
can.
talking ES levels?
Yeah. But it's fucking weak. I need that pump out of the 11-15 time. It's not doing shit.
Okay, yes.
I don't want to go look at it. I don't want to even look at it.
No, it's not coming. I'm
Brother.
gonna stop.
Yes, it's very true.
Stop.
What is that, brother?
What is that, bro? I want to show this, man. Can I, Chadley?
Why don't you save the money you've made today and instruct everybody to hold if they're not stopped out, and if they're done trading, then you guys take a paper trade with each other.
Yeah. Guys, paper trade this. I'm on the thunder down.
Yeah.
If with grades like these, gentlemen, you can roll up any joint you want. He's like, shit, I'll fucks with you. Shit, I'll fucks with you too. Is that good? Yes, that's a yes. Then we'll fox with each other.
See, I'm hoping to get out of that trade before 11:30 meeting. So, fuck.
Oh my god, it's like one of the best movies of all time, dude. I don't know, P. Johns, they might cook you on that, man.
Yeah, man, it does seem like it.
ES, it just might be like a slow, retarded move to the grind to the downside.
Maybe today is the day they're gonna fill the inbox in the rank.
Scam markets.
Yeah.
Brought to you by Phil. And
Charlie, shall I go break even at 202 or at the rejection block 201?
where's your entry? I'm looking at my chart. Hang on, let me.
211. Okay, stop.
Oh, dude, you playing with fire, my friend.
Yeah, you're playing with time. That's the thing.
But you're paper, right?
No, funded.
Oh shit, dude, what are you doing? Get out.
You sure?
You're a grown man. You do what you want. It's your account. Maybe you can catch something here, but
How much am I risking? I'm risking 56 bucks.
okay. That's your average, isn't it?
No, that's my I'm risking 50 bucks. But right now I'm risking only. We'll probably get stopped on this 33 bucks.
That's
We're in
typically
profit.
what. Yeah. Do you see that little baby fair value gap up there? They're gonna revisit that, man. And if they don't, and it's a breakaway gap, then that's good. But you want a BE and BE right above that volume balance, right there. Yeah.
Break even right now. Let's go.
Don't start changing it, man. Always break even, bro.
Oh, let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. Let's go. Let's fucking go, dude.
Nice.
Let's fucking go, bro.
Hey, was that ES carrying us down?
Oh shit, that was. I don't
He's
know.
like, I don't even want to look at the chart.
Maybe then they're probably gonna flush it down to get
Let's
that.
fucking go. 760 on the day. We need W's on that, guys. Chat.
Yeah. Dubs. Let me see if I can find the guy drawing the W.
Damn, instantaneous. And it felt good on the break even, bro. It was just so good.
I found the other one. This one's gonna have to do, Luke. I'm gonna post this.
Let's fucking go.
This lad is going yonkers.
Okay.
We're gonna put the skitters in your island wickers, you plonker.
And you see, they didn't take my stop yet. I had like what, Because I'm on micros, so my stuff is order wired.
Chad, look how it touched. I think we can go long now. I'm done, but look at that, bro. Look at that. Look at this. Chad, look at this. Look at this. By a fucking micro tick, bro. We got filled. I'm surprised we got filled.
That's amazing, dude. I love it.
Guys, we can go long. If we go on paper,
It's crazy you got filled through TradingView because like
Yeah.
when it does those fast moves, even on
Yeah.
paper, it delays the entries and
Yeah.
exits. And I'm like, what the fuck is this?
guys, I'm on paper trading now, but longs.
Okay, yeah, good. Paper. Say it again for the ones in the
But
back.
where's my trade though?
My stop is below 88, so if you want to do it, you do it. If you don't, I'm gonna ride this trade for a little bit.
A million here, a million there, a million there.
Chaddy, where's my entry? Like it
They
shows.
see me rolling.
What are you trying to do here?
I'm on a long 2 micros, but like it showed that thing. But where's my position?
Refresh.
Did you accidentally long? Oh,
Oh, I think I was in a different trade.
I was about to say, did you accidentally long on your funded?
Oh shit! I was short from here.
Yeah, it was a good short, man. I saw it coming.
No, I'm on paper right now, but this paper account it had the open order. I think that's why it just closed there.
No, that short you just pointed out, it went down through the in-log that we drew yesterday, remember?
Yeah.
The one I had you... Yeah, so I saw that coming when I was going to bed at 2:15 or so my time.
Oh yeah, that was
like, oh, we're
yesterday's
gonna
trade
go.
with you. Oh yeah, the limit order we left on. Remember it? 2 micros. Holy shit. God damn, bro. Look at the chat, man.
Fuck with you a little bit.
500 points, bro. 500 points.
Let's go.
Yeah. I'm done with the shorts, guys. I think from here it's only up. If we get stopped out, it's probably a re-entry. But I'm on paper right now, okay? I think we could catch the whole range, at least to like any high time frame. FEG like this one, previous monthly mid.
Time is still trying, but it's weak. See, every time they pull it down, it's like they get that with pushing it a little bit. But it's not that strong.
There are a lot of hoys in this cafe. I get a bit pissed. Side isn't here, isn't it? Side, Musa. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful, beautiful. I think we can hold this. We can hold this at least to like a 50-minute key level.
Yeah. Watch the mid-month. They reject it again.
Yeah, that's my TP. Break even.
Oh, okay.
This line. It's playing music for me only. I wish it was playing it for you guys too. I think I shouldn't move my stop loss to break even, but who cares? It's a paper trade. I don't see it going anymore. Like, where else would they go? This is this 4-hour BPR is latest thing we got. Oh, how about the daily and the weekly? We got a weekly volume imbalance.
Yeah. Dude, those candles look cracked out, man. Can you squish it down a little bit and tell me? Look at that. That's some crazy Darth Maul candle type shit. The things they used to throw on BTC. Do you remember when it was doing Bart's? When it would make a Bart Simpson, the top of his head, it would jam up to make the left side of his face, and then dick around, consolidate, and then jam down, and it was called a Bart pattern. And then you also had the Darth Maul candles where they would do this double wick thing on every daily changeover on Bitcoin. It used to do this crazy shit like that.
Yeah, I don't know. We either go to that volume balance on the weekly or longs. I personally favor longs today, but at this rate, it can do anything. I didn't eat anything today, not even breakfast. I was like 7 p.m.
Tell me by looking at the chart, is chat, is 11:20 on ES and 11 o'clock exactly on the 5 minute, are these two order blocks? Do you guys see them as order blocks? 11 o'clock and 11:20, the 5 minute.
Thanks for making me look at ES, bro. Appreciate that. I love it.
I knew you were gonna say that. I knew Chad was gonna say that.
Yeah, you said 11:20?
11:20 and 11 o'clock in the 5 minutes. You guys look at these as order blocks? No.
This is the order block. Yeah. 11
No. The order blocks are the white candles, the F close candles in the downtrend. And so I was just going over this with Luke. Luke, do you mind? Can I hijack for a second?
Yeah, go ahead.
And explain it. Okay. Let me see. Can you find an area of price where it was trending down and then it reversed, like a breaker reversal or V reversal?
Oh, you want me to stream it? Okay, give me a sec.
Oh, okay. No, I can do it. No, you're right. You're right.
The reason I was looking at that as the block because it's the one that is holding down the candle and just bringing the next one above it. So that, like, that last one at 11:20.
Can y'all see the screen?
Yeah. Well, just watch Chaddy's stream, not from my screen, because my screen is small.
Yeah.
Okay, here we go.
That's why.
All right, P. Johns. Here's our original consolidation, SMR, smart money reversal, and then all the stages, 1, 2, and 3, to get to pass this, right? But order blocks are being set in each stage on the way down.